In this video, we are going to look at a method for adding fractions together, the butterfly method. So let's look at our example. 1/4 plus 3/8. Let's see the method in action. 1 times 8 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. We add the 8 and the 12 together, and we have a numerator of 20. Then what we do is we multiply our denominators. 4 times 8 equals 32. So we have 20 over 32. And then we reduce our fraction down to simplify it by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 4, and we have 5/8. So 1/4 plus 3/8 equals 5/8. Now this method takes a little bit of time and a little bit of memorization of all the different steps, but if you know equivalent fractions, it becomes a lot more simple. So here's 1/4 and 3/8. I know that 1/4 is the same as 2/8. And seeing as my denominators are the same, I just add the numerators. 2/8 plus 3/8 equals 5/8. So we see that if we know equivalent fractions, we become more efficient with adding fractions together. Let's have a look at another example. 1/4 plus 1/2. Let's go through the method again. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Our numerator is 6. Multiply our denominators. 4 times 2 is 8. So we have 6/8. And then when we reduce it down, we can see it becomes 3/4 when we divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. So 1/4 plus 1/2 is 3/4. So let's have a look at how this looks when we just know our equivalent fractions. We know that half is the same size as 2/4. 1/4 plus 2/4 equals 3/4. All I've done is I've added the numerators because I know the denominator. So the interesting thing is, it's interesting to know the butterfly method, but if we know equivalent fractions, adding fractions becomes a lot more simple.